Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Priority Matrix one-on-one view. Before I jump in, you might be wondering, why talk about Priority Matrix views at all? Shouldn't we be more interested in the 4-quadrant projects? While it is true that the 4 quadrants are the core of Priority Matrix, the additional views take all the helpful information from your projects and consolidate it, giving you a big picture understanding. It is for this reason that Priority Matrix has the Reports view, Gantt chart, Master List, Calendar view, and now the One-on-One view. So what exactly does the One-on-One view do? In a team, you will have projects and even tasks in common with someone else, whether your boss or simply another colleague. In the Priority Matrix One-on-One view, you can select a team member, and Priority Matrix will find all the items that you have in common. You can then look at each item and check out the details. While anyone can benefit from the one-on-one view, it is especially helpful for managers who want to check on tasks they have assigned to one individual or to 2 team members who work together closely.